Hello, Lelan. Happy birthday. Mm, my heart feels both joy and longing. Kay layo ka. Pero not a single day na hindi ka naman na-miss. Hindi ka naman pinaisip. Labi na ako. But deep in my heart, I wish you a happy birthday. I wish to hug you and see you smile and celebrate the occasion and the moment with us. I know that the sacrifices naghihimo ni mo dira as an OFW, or shall we say, is lonely, mingaw, maningkamot lang yun, no? Tagaan ka sa maayong lawas para maabot mo kung unsa may imong gusto sa imong kinabuhi. Always remember that your family is always here. And always remember that every tear, every tired day, and every effort you give is never unnoticed. Thank you also for always being there for us, for the family. You never forget that you have a family back home. My only wish from God is to protect you always, tagaan ka sa may lawas para makasugakod sa pangadlaw-adlaw ng panginabuhi ninyo dira ninday sa gawas sa Pilipinas. Life in here is not easy, and you are lucky also that you were given the chance na panginabuhi ko sa maayo dira. And distance may keep us apart, but our heart is always longing for you. Thank you for always being there for me, my confidante, my shock absorber.
Yan bro, Leland, happy birthday. Wow, dugay na kita wala nakita. Pero tanay magkita na kita sa diri sa sa Manila o dira sa sa Coronadal Puhon. Ayan, more power sa imo kag sa misis mo, and congratulations nga ra ka mo dira sa Japan subong. Kag ang mga pangarap mo sa una natupad na. Ayan bro, happy birthday ulit. Kag tayo makahimo naman ta sa mga sa mga covers. Ayan, see you soon and God bless you sa inyong adua. Ayan, happy birthday.
Hello tol, happy birthday. Wish na ko sa imong birthday unta good health, more pa success. See you soon. Pero yung nandito ka sa Pinas, wala kita nakita, ano? Tol, happy birthday again. Maraming salamat sa kabutihan mo, sa imuhang friendship. Mayo kay nga tao ka. Unta, ma-bless pa kag maayo ni Lord. Good health and more success in life. Happy birthday!